Today we'll be unboxing the Boxyluxe subscription box from Boxycharm for June 2021. Now this is not monthly, it's quarterly, and it replaces the base box for Boxycharm every 3 months. So let's begin. And it usually has some more products in there as well, like lifestyle products. So let's see. So the theme for June is Dare to Dazzle. Here we have the products inside, their retail value, Instagram handles, and also the box variation number right here, which is C21065333-LX. Okay, let's begin. Looks like something spilled here. Okay, so let's first look at this item here. It's a Luxie. This one is a Luxie Florals brush set, and it retails for $40. So this is what it looks like. Oh, it has this thing here too. The spongy, baby sponge. And these are the eyeshadow brushes. Yeah, it tells you what it's for here. Yeah, it says the name right here. This is a tapered blending brush. This one is a lip liner. Oh, cool. Don't see those a lot in like eyeshadow brush sets. This one's a eye shading, shading brush right here. Okay. And then the last one, let's see, is a concealer brush. Oh, okay, interesting. Get it out of there. Okay. I love this color, by the way. It's so pretty. That is cute. Okay. Now let's go on to the other products. This one is a NARS blush, and it is an Orgasm. I heard it's a very popular blush shade. So this retails for $30. So let's see. It does come with a mirror, but let's open this plastic. Okay. We swatch it. It's this shimmery rose goldy pink. It's not so apparent, but yeah, it has this like rose goldy shift in there, so it's pretty. If you like this type of brush though, I mean blush. So if you don't like shimmery, I don't know if you would like this or not. Okay, let's move on. The next item is this Smith French Dublin Fresh Green Leaves Aromatic Hand Wash. It's wild pine, woodland mint, and rosemary scents in here, and this retails for $46. Wow. Okay, next item is this Aromatherapy Associates Revive Body Gel. This one retails for $46. Was it the same as the other one? Oh no, this retails for $25. Yes, this is the one that retails for $46. Okay. And Dr. Brandt. I like this brand actually. It's a good brand. This one's a triple antioxidant face cream. This product retails for $64. Okay. So they are expensive, but I mean, I like them. Especially if you're getting them in this box. It's a great deal, but I don't think I would pay full price for them. This one's Avon, same thing, good brand. Skincare, this is a hyaluronic acid replenishing lip serum, and it retails for $122. Again, it's a good brand, but I wouldn't pay that amount for it. This is what it looks like. It's clear. Okay. There's 2 more stuff left in the box. Okay. This next one is this 4 Sigmatic Superfood Face Mask. This one retails for $40. So even though this is a face mask, it's actually a dietary supplement as well. So it's edible as well. So that's cool. And it's the flavor is chocolate brownie. So you can mix it with water and put it on as a face mask, and also try some as a snack. Interesting. So yeah, let's see. And there's 10 of them in there. 10 of these packets that you mix with water. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes. 10 of those. Cool. And there is one last item in here. It's this one. And this is the one that spilled. See? Yeah. I think it's this one. It's LMS Superfood AHA Glow Cleansing Butter. It has pumpkin, acerola cherry, and mango butter. So, let's see. This one retails for $38. Yes. Okay. This is what it looks like. Let's see what it smells like. Interesting. It looks like mango, but it doesn't smell like mango though. But yeah, it looks like not much spilled, but yeah. It's a good brand as well. I mean, I like some products and not others, so it depends on the type of product. I'll have to try it out to see if I like this one or not. Yeah. So that was the last item in the box for Boxyluxe. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. And if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you and have a wonderful day. Bye.